All right, here's a little update. Thought I'd do a little more detailed explanation of what's going on because, you know, sometimes that's the way. This is the wellhead, if anybody doesn't know that. This is a discharge pipe from the drain that's in the garage so that when the car comes in the winter with snow and ice and all that stuff, it melts. Because obviously, as you all know or don't know, this floor will be heated. It's going to have radiant heat. So the snow and ice will melt very quickly, and I've been told by people who have radiant floor heated garages that the water just disappears very quickly. This is clearly the rest of the garage. And coming around here, pointed out the wellhead, which is why it's got the little orange cone. We come in, this is the driveway here, and we come into the opening for the garage door. It's 2 cars wide. The garage is technically 2 cars wide, but it will hold 6 cars, which is nice. I can actually hold more cars than that if I tighten them up and pack them in. And that way, in the right weather, like in the winter, I can work on a car, work on a car, work on a car. This is the drain for the floor. We're walking along. We are seeing there's some more plumbing work. This is going to be the mechanical room. So this is drain, drain. These are the drains for the toilet, the big one. I think this is going to be something else and something else. That is going to be for the sink in the guest bathroom, which is right here. That's going to be for the sink in the mudroom, and this is the drain for the washing machine. So we walk through, and that's where the well pump comes out, and there'll be a storage tank located right there. And then I think I did tell everybody last time that this is a product of Barb, my favorite sister-in-law. This is ready for a garage door sometime in the future. There will not be a garage door now because I don't need one. That's the man door, or the non-binary door right there. But this is being installed, so should someone in the future say, geez, I wish I had a garage door here, all they do is cut it out. It's already been, there's a header and all that stuff. So we come back, we're coming over here, we come in to the mudroom. The door is approximately here. We come in, this is the mudroom with washer, dryer, sink, cabinets. Immediately to our left is a full guest bath right here. Then as we walk forward, we come over here and we look to our right. And what's actually going to be over here is a study, bedroom, office, whatever you want. And there'll be a door there. You come out of there, you come here. There will be a pocket door here because it'll readily be closed. And you will be looking at the kitchen over here. This is the kitchen. And we have, there's the sink for the kitchen. So straight ahead is going to be the kitchen sink. If you look to our left, this is actually going to be the setup for the toilet and other devices, water supply, drains for the master bath. This is going to be the drain for the master bath sink. You'll look here, and once again, this is the tornado room. You come down the hallway, you'll see the tornado room. Directly to your right would be the master bedroom, which has a southern exposure. So that'll be the winter bedroom. And then if you look to our left, this is going to be another guest bedroom. It's got a eastern exposure that way, and then it's north this way. But it'll be for the place for in the summer when you don't want to have the sun waking you up early in the morning. There'll be a big closet here. You come back out, you look down the hallway, you're walking down the hallway, there is the opening into the mudroom and the garage. You look straight ahead, there'll be a wall here, and then we have the living room, dining room, and then of course, kitchen. So a couple interesting things about the living room. Based upon my wonderful mother's experience, I have 2 plugs in the floor. This one is underneath the dining room table. This one will be underneath the couch that's in the living room. I'm having it here because I expect the couch to be here, TV will be there, and that way you don't have to have a cord running from the sidewall to power a lamp or anything like that. As we turn over here, we are walking towards the kitchen, and right about here will be a door that heads out to the porch. Now it's mud now, but there will be a porch here with the ability to look at all this beautiful green stuff and look over to the left and go, oh, that's so gorgeous, and look over to the road, which is to the west. There's a road over there. And then this is the cool thing. The plumber put the clean out for the waistline outside, which is nice because that way, should it need to be cleaned out, you're not having to struggle inside. Well, I think that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think, what else have I missed? But this is just a little update. Until we get the sign off from the plumbing inspector, we can't do anything with the slab, which is going to have 4 inches of rigid foam insulation. Same thing in the tornado room, which we've been in before. It's so cool in here. Oh, all this concrete. I feel so safe and secure. I may never come out. Oh my God, I may be stuck in here forever. No, that's not going to happen. And then obviously 9-foot ceilings. I reach about, roughly 8 feet here. Although there's going to be 4 inches of insulated slab here. So subtract 4 inches from my hand, and it's a 9-foot ceiling. I wanted 9 feet because 8 feet's too short. Nine is just right. And the beauty of 9 is that it gives you some feeling of openness without having a cathedral ceiling. Although, interesting thing about cathedral ceilings, this is the garage. There will be a cathedral ceiling here. It goes up to 17 feet here, slopes down to about 9 feet. It'll be a nice visual. So that's about it. It's about 85 degrees today. Humidity, dew point's probably in the mid 60s. It's a little sticky, but nothing bad. And I think it's going along pretty well. Got a great contractor. Love the guy to death. I love all the subs to death. They're all very good people. They do good stuff. Yeah, got the cars parked over there. We got the containers over there. We got the trailer over there. Yeah, nice day, no rain. I hope that they're able to sign off on this soon because it'd be nice to get the slab poured and done before the rain comes. So I will talk to you later. You guys have a fun time. Bye.